This homemade salt trick will make you hard in 15 seconds, and you'll have the best performance in bed with your wife. Now pay attention, go to the kitchen and grab a pinch of salt. Yes, salt. Then, try this 15-second trick discovered by a Harvard scientist that increases blood flow by 31 or 42% in over 100,000 men. Forget pills and pumps that only cause embarrassment. This trick is natural, easy, discreet, and helps men be ready whenever they need to be rock solid. All you need to do is use this 15-second trick during your bath and watch the magic happen. Let me tell you a secret. Movie stars have been using this trick for years. That's why they're always ready for 2, 3, even 4 rounds. And now, so can you. It doesn't matter if you're 25 or over 55, the famous morning wood will be inevitable. I know how it works, and I'll show you how to do it right at home. But here's the thing. Preparing this at home can be tricky. That's why they created Nitrox Pro, a simple and powerful solution to enhance blood flow and improve your performance instantly. Act fast. Stocks are limited and they're going fast. Click the link in the description now and grab yours before it's too late.